From camping to sporting events such as soccer and beach volleyball, the best beach chairs offer multiple features such as rust-resistant coatings, auto-reclining designs, or supportive headrests for people who enjoy spending quality time outdoors. There are many products available to choose beach chairs, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best beach chairs from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Sportbrell 3-Position Recliner Chair. Large 2 pockets on the back as well as under the armrests, 5 reclining positions, durability while being lightweight, and 16 unique color options make Tommy Bahama Backpack Cooler Beach Chair a clear winner in our list of the best beach chairs. Tommy Bahama is available in 16 unique color schemes. The chair itself is constructed from a rust-proof aluminum frame. This increases the weight limit up to 300 pounds. It also features 600 denier polyester fabric which is exceptionally strong, durable, and easy to clean. Tommy Bahama has put in the time and energy into developing a beach chair that is extremely durable while being lightweight. In fact, this chair weighs a measly 7 pounds. Positive side of this product has a built-in adjustable pillow. Ability to recline in 5 positions. Number 2. King Camp Bag for Indoor-Outdoor Travel. With a beautiful shade of gray ensuring you stand out from the typical beach crowd, King Camp Folding Arm Beach Chair could be the most stylish-looking beach chair on our list. It promises relaxation and full seat support with the reclining back design. This entire package comes in an easy-to-use and store-carry bag that makes this chair super compact. The seat is made out of a durable nylon and canvas material that has been designed to be weather-resistant. Strong plastic parts make King Camp firmer, and it suits soft and hard ground. The specially made lightweight steel frame that ensures maximum strength, while maintaining a lightweight feel ensures the beach chair can hold up to 300 pounds. The chair has a perfectly placed mesh cup holder, so your drink is always in arm's reach. King Camp offers a lifetime warranty. Positive side of this product, sleek design that stands out. Has a reclining back design. Easy to use and store carry bag. Durable nylon and water resistant canvas material. Lightweight steel frame. Number 3. Amazon Basics Outdoor Folding Reclining Lounge Chair. Amazon Basics Zero Gravity Beach Chair is the best lounge beach chair on the market, featuring a traditional summer chair Z design that will make you feel like you are essentially floating in space. If you have never tried a zero gravity chair, you are missing out. Instead of having a frame that creates a traditional seat, this zero-gravity chair uses elastic-like material to connect the stretchy fabric to the frame. You don't have to worry about sticking to the fabric like some other beach chairs. The breathable material doesn't retain heat, so you won't have to put a towel down to protect your skin. Positive side of this product, a traditional summer chair Z design. Weather-resistant textiline fabric. Padded headrest and armrests for extra comfort. Has a sturdy powder-coated steel frame. Number 4. Quick Chair Portable Folding Chair with Armrest Cup Holder. Perfectly combining an unbeatable price with all the quality you are looking for in a summer beach chair, Quick Shade Folding Quad Camp Beach Chair is the most lightweight beach chair on our list. You don't have to struggle to set up your chair anymore as Quick Shade folds out in seconds. Now you can have your place set up and get into the water faster than ever. The product comes with an included shoulder carrying bag. Being as compact as possible, you can store this chair in the trunk of your car and grab it whenever the occasion arises. Without the added bells and whistles. This chair is for the basic beachgoer and allows you to have a comfortable place to rest out of the sand. Positive side of this product, one of the most lightweight chairs on the market. Extremely easy to set up and fold down. Number 5. Quick Shade Adjustable Folding Chair. If you are looking for an excellent all-around chair without the fancy bells and whistles, Quick Shade Adjustable Canopy Folding Beach Chair is the best folding beach chair in our list. A well-designed, a simple chair can be everything you need. This is the best beach chair with a canopy that you can fully adjust and even remove whenever you please. It offers great protection for the harmful UV rays from the sun as it can raise and tilt in any direction. All of this comes in a lightweight package that is exceptionally easy to transport and carry. There are 2 cup holders for your drinks and a storage pocket at the back of Quick Shade. You can choose blue or green upon preference. Positive side of this product, extremely easy to fold and transfer. Has an adjustable and removable canopy. Offers protection for the harmful UV rays. You can tilt it any direction. Made from a water and stain resistant 600D polyester fabric. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.